Let me tell you something. No one knows. No one has a clue about what you struggle with in private. No one knows that when you walk into a room, you make it look so easy, but on the inside, you are all over the place. No one knows that whatever you have to present today or presented before, that while it looked flawless before the people, maybe you were struggling. Baby, you was trying to get it together to the last second. No one knows. So do not let imposter syndrome step in and create a narrative. Because the same way no one knows about you, you do not know about what other people got going on. The problem with imposter syndrome is we compare ourselves. We think that we're not good enough because we're looking at what someone else is doing. But baby, you do not know what they got going on behind closed doors. Imposter syndrome is a lie. You are amazing. You are awesome. You are qualified. Everyone's figuring it out.